Hello guys, a lot of profits I wish you guys today, and we're starting our Crypto Pumper show on DeFeed channel. By the way, you can watch our Crypto Pumper show on different platforms, and actually, I need you guys to go to our YouTube channel and watch all of the videos about the crypto stuff, about the GameFi stuff, about the wallets, about everything which is actual in crypto. So, guys, if you haven't been watching the SEC VC Ripple, so you are welcome here. And of course, guys, we welcome you on the feed, and you can win some stuff here within the crypto boxes, within the post. So we're testing the new mechanics. Okay, I believe you will be, lucky to win this stuff. And of course, check out uh, our articles, and you can see all this stuff. Okay. So, and of course, guys, we're welcoming you on our Twitter, when you can see the latest news about airdrops, our MA sessions, and other beautiful stuff. So let's go, and hello everybody, hello Mahmoud, Bella. So, what's going on, guys? Have you been trading for today or not? So, waiting your responses, and actually, what we're doing right now today. Okay, I know that guy. He just followed our follow, so you can check our follow just for free, and of course it's open. We are forming the follow for newbies, and for those guys who want to provide some, retirement portfolio, so something like long term, with less risky maybe in sometimes, and of course, we account on the next bull run, so we are not making some you know we're not making some daily trades or something. So we're making the long swing stuff. So what does it mean? So you can actually trade on short term, you can trade on long term, and of course in the moment we can do, for example, something like so actually the swing tactics usually is for short positions and in timing, I mean, so not short the position but the um, short trades. Yeah, so you can just buy on the volatile market some crypto and to go, for example, for the futures for below it. So for example, if we're just going for the anchor, I believe that it will be just lowing down, yeah. And for example, when meme coins are just listing on the exchange, they can be lower. And if there is an option to shorten them, so you can win on this. And of course, you can go within the daily fluctuations. So look at this. I will show you interesting news. So there is Elon Musk's so tweet, yeah. So and actually it's very funny, but if we can go here and see the Dogecoin, yeah, you can see that it has been raising uh in 24 hours was 3%, yeah. So of course you can earn on this. So going somewhere here, looking at the news, for example, in the moment, and sell them, for example, on this spike. Yeah, so entering here, selling here, or entering even, with the 7 days. So you can go somewhere here. Yeah, on the weekends you can buy crypto, for example, in order to sell it a little bit higher on the start of the week, because on the weekends usually a crypto is a little bit falling down. So and you can just make these trades, for example, every week or something. But our strategy in making the folio actually is forming it in exact period of time. So we're trying to do this every day for $5. So right now, it that's why it was calling the $5 Crypto Pumper show. But right now we're trying to make the investments more bigger. But actually, we cannot, for example, make the live streams every day. as we just planned it from the beginning, because we have a lot of stuff to discover and show you guys, and we're trying to make it as fast as much as possible. But guys, we decided to just and we just provided the habit to make your investments periodically, so just keep this traction. And actually, we are just making the trades in account that we're just trading like every day. Yeah, so we're just buying a little bit more in the days we're trading, and just counting days when we haven't been trading. Yeah, so today is the next day. Actually, you can see that I've just added Kronos, because yesterday in the end of the stream, I was buying, and finally it's go on. So that's why um, we're just adding this Kronos today in the morning. Okay, so hello Princess, hello Bella. So Bella said no, so she doesn't trading, yeah, or she hadn't been trading today, so I don't know. Take a habit and invest, and try to invest every day for a small amount if you're just low bunker, or just divide it in, for example, four parts, and trade, for example, every week. So trying to buy your crypto on weekend. Actually, you can go within the banking stuff, or just deposit it in banks, but actually guys, I don't recommend this, because the inflation is much bigger than percentage in banks. So you need to understand this, because banks will never lose. Yeah, okay. Hello Dips. So let's look what's positive news here today. So um we have actually the overall profits is were just losses. Yeah. Why? So because we're just seeing that our polygons investments are not doing good. Actually, I have some good news. Actually, proposals for the polygons stuff, and remember, guys, I just showed you news about the POL token, that they just want to write the POL token instead of Matic. It will be equal, but it will be just more interoperability, and you can just trade them and use them in the whole ecosystem. So they decided to launch just governance stuff, and so they just reimagines every aspect of the Polygon ecosystem, and the model of government that the ecosystem must also evolve. So every aspect of Polygon 2.0 is open to discussion. The community has full control over the Polygon network, and will have the final say on all the proposals that have been shared so far. Furthermore, once Polygon vision becomes reality, it will continue requiring a community involvement and governments for years to come. So to make it possible, we're proposing a forward-looking framework for the decentralized ownership and decision-making over the Polygon protocols and the ecosystem. So the proposal is inspired by a battle-tested blockchain governance model with Ethereum foremost among them. The open inclusive governance ethos Ethereum has been provided incredibly valuable on the maintenance, development, and adoption of the protocol. So let's go for the for the concrete stuff. So they had series of the forum posts. So during this process, we have received feedback from different sides. So they decided to provide the document, so interactive vision board. So they will have the three governance pillars, and actually the PIP, so Polygon Improvement Proposal Framework, provides an open coordination platform for development of Polygon protocols. So they just decided to unite all this stuff, provide the community treasure governments, provide the evolution about the a rule in the community and a rule in this voting. So they just included the quadratic token voting, self-sovereign identities, reputation-based decision-making, etc. So sounds interesting, guys, and I believe they they will have a great future. But for the folio, it's not very good right now. So actually, I would buy even more even more polygons right now. But actually, it's on the third place, and I don't want to um, provide this coin so much, activities. Yeah, so much stuff here. So what I want to look at today, for example, I want to look at the Shiba Inu, and they will provide the Shiba hardware wallets powered by Tangem. So actually, it will be Tangem wallets, and they're available for pre-order, so you can pay for SHIB or other coins or PayPal. So it's very interesting. So actually, if you go and see over our channel, you will be able to find Tangem token. Oh, sorry, Tangem wallet inside the YouTube channel, I believe. So we provided a Z detail guide about Tangem, I believe so. Let's look at this. Yeah, so you can see that it was overviewed because we are looking for the different hardware wallets, and you can find all the stuff about this on our channel as well. So let's look at the price of the Shiba. So uh, so it's pumping a little bit. So if we see the year exposure, so it's okay time to buy if we go for the all-time. Yeah. So actually, I don't believe that they can reach the this all-time high stuff, but actually they can reach all this one. Yeah, so easily. Um, so I believe that we can buy some Shiba coins, yeah, just to diversify our follow, because I'm really not very, super excited about the meme coins, but actually we need just a few of them on our folio. I believe we have some of them, yeah. So we have even stuff like FTX coin, yeah, and we have Terra Classic actually as well. So just making it for fun, but who knows? Who knows? Maybe someday they will erase again. I don't know. Yeah, but still, it's tradable, and we have some Dogecoins. So you can see that it shows even profit. Maybe we should buy some Shiba just to diversify our our follow. So let's go and make it happen. So we'll try with BTs, yes, and we will go for the Shiba. Shiba is on the Ethereum. So we have in the Now wallet, we have the BSC version, but I want to buy this one. So I will try to spend 10 bucks. Okay, we need to spend a little bit more, so 15. 15. Okay, we will get some how much? 1 million Shiba Inus. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, so we are making it from the Theory X. So this is cross chain change. So we need to understand that the gas fees can be really crazy. So the great stuff from the change wallet, from the Now wallet, I'm sorry guys, within the changing, that they just provided the information about all of this stuff, and just warn you if it goes a little bit crazy. So but I do this because when we're just forming the folio, we're just picking up the because the liquidity is provided by these guys, so thank you very much. So we're just picking up the exact amount of coins we've bought, and we're thinking that we're buying them on the market so on the average market price. So, and I'm adding always couple cents there for the price because, for example, to be objective, yeah, so to be honest with it. So, okay, so we've done it. So what again? So this one is done. This one is done. So we've just got the Elon's post. So the next one, interesting stuff. So actually today's there will be not so long stream because hello June, hello Bella, hello Deeps. So guys, just by the way, guys, if you have some coin just to research, just write down in the chat, and I will see and analyze it with you guys, and maybe we will buy some of them right now. So guys, just ping me in the chat, and just provide your the next coin to buy. Yeah. Okay, so one interesting news. So here we go. There are a lot of stuff here about the Bitcoin and the Ethereum ETF proposals, and United States SEC accepts 6 spot Bitcoin ETF proposals for review. So I believe that's XRP. XRP win, yeah, so Ripple win on the cards, and this wave when all the governments starting to say that, so it's enough to pressure the cryptos, so provided the other companies, other coins, and other possibilities and instruments go a little bit further. So the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has accepted application to create spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds from 6 firms, including BlackRock, for review, guys. It's not just the they just take them for review. So the first step is the agency process for deciding whether or not to approve the latest round of proposals. Yeah. So they said that they just accept applications from Bitwise, Vanek, Wisdom Tree, Fidelity, and Invesco for similar spot Bitcoin ETFs with those proposals appearing on the Federal Register Tuesday and Wednesday. So they previously rejected the dozens of Bitcoin ETF applications. So because they said that they don't meet anti-fraud and investor protection standards. And remember, guys, they just named 50, for example, coins for which they think that they're securities. So but actually NASDAQ, where BlackRock proposed to the list ETF, said earlier this month that it would be address those concerns by working with Coinbase, the largest US-based crypto exchange, to police trading in the underlying Bitcoins market. So similar feelings from CBOE Global Markets also proposed similar surveillance arrangement. Yeah. So the first Bitcoin futures ETF was approved in October 2021, and helping send the volatile Bitcoin to an all-time high for almost 70,000. So in November 2029, so spot ETFs directly track the price for the cryptocurrency, while futures-based ETFs follow the price of the Bitcoin futures contract. So actually, what has been, guys, so actually all of this stuff, is the interesting detail here is that all of this stuff will be provided, as far as I remember, before the Bitcoin halving. So we need to understand that the next bull run can be either near these dates, and we need to be prepared for this. But actually, we can be prepared for the double moves here, and maybe the bull run will not happen so easily because guys, when everyone will wait the bull run, it will never happens because the big whales will not allow us to jump in very easily here. So that's why we're just forming the stable folio. No matter what, we're just waiting, forming the folio, waiting till this stuff will happening. So we've got some Shibu, and let's add it for the folio. Okay. $7.10304.326. So the buy price, where is our CMS? Okay. Let's go for this price. Okay, so we've got this. Let's take a look. So it can go lower, of course, but I believe in some, bull run. So we can get for some, meme coins just to get in, and watch what will happen, because their volatility is just going crazy. So guys, you've said a little bit about the Aptos. So I was thinking about to fulfill the Aptos as well, but let's see. We've already buy some Aptos. It's just in here we go. It's minus 30%. So might think that it's the good. So we've bought it only on how much? $7? And on $10, yeah. So it can be, let's see the Aptos graphs here. So yeah, so the line is above, is below average. So of course we can fulfill this position, but guys, actually we've just taken it. It has been provided airdrop and so on, and the pressure of the price can be even more here. So let's see, for example, I will try to find it. Wait a second. So we'll try to find them on the CryptoRank, because they have the ability to provide the vesting stuff. So this vesting stuff, and we can see that they will have different unlocks, yeah. So in November, in December, and everyone, so there are a lot of cliff periods, vesting stuff. So actually the pressure of the price can be very big. So we should think in about, so we have a lot of unlocking events, and the next one will be in 23 days. So hello Samir. So you need to understand that it will be unlocked around 1 billion. So 16% will be unlocked in 23 days. So you need to understand this, and if you're just taking the risks, you're okay, good to go. But actually, and you can see that in every month it will be unlocking for 16, 17, 17, 20 even percent. And we're not, me personally, I'm not waiting the bull run till the next March or April. So maybe we will buy more positions of Aptos? I don't know, because I haven't seen some positive news about them, about the development. So we need to see the development. So that's why we've bought so you know, just one position here, yeah, just one position. For example, for the Ange maybe coin, I would be even more, positive here. So I'm not sure that Aptos will, survive 100%. That's why I'm thinking about this. Yeah. So yeah, I believe what's going. I saw that there was. So what about the link? So actually, we bought the link a couple days ago, I believe. Yeah. So we can see this. So actually, as I said before, they're just one of the biggest, Oracle providers, and I know some guys from Link personally. So I believe that its perspective, coin, and it's rather stable, so it can live for the next bull run. So you can watch about the Cardano actually. So making even more positions on Cardano. Maybe getting more Ethereum, I don't know. Okay. What else? What else we're just looking on? So let's try to find maybe I will go in there again. Okay, let's filter, for example, take some losers, make not circulation, but the market cap maybe. Yeah, market cap below 5 mils. From 1 to 5. Okay, let's go for the 7 days. 30 days. Oh, the volume. Yeah, residual filters again. Okay, let's provide it like a little bit more for 7, for example. Okay. And let's go for the 7 days maybe. Vulcan, Furu combo. So actually we've got an interesting video about Furu combo, I believe. Firestarter, Layer AI, My Crypto Heroes, Deepcoin, Pickle Finance. Interesting. So actually, I wouldn't take anything about this. So okay, let's go for the little bit bigger numbers, maybe 20, 5 to 20. So some big guys. Okay, we see all. So we see the Wise, for example. So it's interesting. Because they just live for a long time, so we can see how they're just hedging. It's interesting. So let's open them in the new windows. Other guys, and I do not know. So I know Vulcan, but I believe that they will fall down in the ashes actually. So we can see that the hedging all time. Yeah, so they need to survive. If they will survive, so it will be nice to have them in folio, actually. So they provided some hedge contracts and other stuff. So it's just you know, guys, they just been working since 2019, I believe. So the market cap is 13 millions, and the trading volume is really not very big. So what about the WISE? So WISE is a financial instrument as well. So they have interesting interesting model about the staking, I believe. So let's go for the 1 year. Okay. So they have a bigger volumes here. Right now they're 88% loss from the all-time high. Actually, I don't know if they can survive, but I suppose it's very risky. Yeah, I suppose it's very risky, but they provided interesting DeFi services. So let's see their Twitter, if they have any news here. So some retweets. Wise landing, July 24. Okay, nice news. Financial revolution focused on magic yield easy. Interesting. It can pump them up actually. Lovely compliment. Actually, not many news here. Yeah, so they just providing. So they just want to provide the lending protocol here. So nothing actually very new, because okay, wait, farm. So maybe 24th June. So maybe we will look for them tomorrow, and maybe we will even buy some of the WISE token actually, because they're just falling down drastically, and maybe it's a good point to just enter. And if they will provide some new instruments, they can survive. So I believe that they will survive actually, for just for a long time. But we need to understand that, do they survive and do they provide some 10x's or more, you know? Okay, so I believe that's pretty much it for today. So we've got some, you know, buying. So I've just added Kranos. We've got Shiba Inu. So tomorrow I will watch the Bitcoin, of course, price as usual, but it's reached out the 30,000, and I said that I will not buy on 30,000. Yeah, so we will wait till it will just get in the 33,000 and then redefine our strategy. But right now we will not buy them. So maybe we will strengthen our positions on the Ethereum, maybe on BNB, not in Matic, I believe, right now. Maybe we will wait a little bit. And that's it, guys. That's it. So bye-bye and love you all. So see you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow.